Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do December monthly reading for Virgo. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So Virgo, let's see your recent past. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Okay, first card, the Moon. Seven of Swords, my God. Emperor. Virgo, your person is sneaky, definitely. Or they may be lie to you. Definitely the Moon with Seven of Swords. They are hiding something from you. They are telling lies to you in past. They tell some lies to you because the Moon with the Seven of Swords. But you are very honest in this connection, the Emperor energy. Or your person may be, I think you may be very stubborn also. But you are very honest, you are very committed to this connection regarding you. But one person, I think it could be your person. I am getting one person is sneaky in this connection. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa, but I am getting it's your person because the Moon with Seven of Swords. You or your person would be Pisces also. Definitely there is some secrets hidden in this connection. Your person may be playing mind games with you. They are sneaky. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Ten of Cups. Six of Pentacles. Page of Swords. I think your person may be spying on you on social media, or you may be spying on your person on social media. Ten of Cups with Six of Pentacles. I think in past there is no equal give and take in your connection. Now your person want to offer equal give and take, and they want to offer this Ten of Cups to you, or you want this Ten of Cups and equal give and take from your person. Energy could be vice versa, but some spying is going between both of you. Page of Swords, some messages, some communication will happen, or right now is happening between both of you guys. Yeah. So one person in this connection want to offer equal give and take. In past there is no equal give and take. If it is third party, be careful guys, because the Moon with the Seven of Swords, it's very negative energy. I think there is some secrets, some sneaky energy is there. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see some more. Wheel of Fortune, the Hermit, Three of Wands. Yeah, waiting game. I think you turned your back from your person. After your person approached you, you decided to turn your back. Yeah, definitely you turn your back, Virgo. And it's your card, the Hermit. You are undergoing some spiritual awakening. You are isolated yourself from all. You are not talking to anyone. That's why your person may be spying on you on social media. Definitely things are turning in your favor, Virgo. It's your time. You are waiting for your time, and you are waiting for your turn. Definitely it will coming. It is coming. You turn your back, and this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities, different countries, and different states, and there is some traveling also involved in this connection. And you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, you turn your back. This could be long distance relationship. Your person coming back to offer equal give and take, but you turn your back for some. For some, you are waiting for your person to come towards you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. But one point is clear, things are turning in your favor. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you, Virgo. Then we will get more clarity. Your person current feelings first. Ten of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, King of Cups. Yeah, their feelings towards you, they know you are the person always there for you when they want. Because Queen of Pentacles, you are a very caring and giving person. They are thinking about you like this. Definitely they have also strong emotions for you, King of Cups, and they want rebirth in this connection. Ten of Swords means ending cycles, and there for some there is new beginnings, rebirth also. Your person want rebirth in this connection, and they want to share their love with you. And King of Cups, definitely they have strong emotions for you. They realized their emotions for you after you walked away, after the separation. Yeah, now they want to share their life with you. They want to share their love with you. So let's see the near future actions towards you. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Virgo. Six of Swords, Ace of Cups, Chariot. Wow. Definitely they want to resolve disputes between both of you. Six of Swords. They want compromise. Yeah, with you. They want compromise. Six of Swords moving to calm waters and some communication also. And Ace of Cups, definitely they love you so much. There is love. Ace of Cups, the love towards you is overflowing. And Chariot, definitely you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer it could be. And Cancer, yeah, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level, but it is very slow moving energy, because Cancer is very slow moving energy. Still there is some movement you can expect from your person. You can expect some message from your person. They, yeah, I think they want rebirth in this connection, and they want to settle things between both of you, but they're in very slow moving energy. But you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. Things are turning in your favor, so it's up to you to accept this person offer or not, Virgo. Because if you are really in third party, you know about it, please think twice before giving any chance to your person. If there is no third party, there are general issues, then it will be okay to give second chance. Otherwise it is not okay. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Okay, one card, the Star. Princess of Wands. Ten of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Wow. Yeah, most of you will reconcile. Definitely these are mutual energies. Yeah, still you both are hoping for this connection, the Star and Princess of Wands. I think you stand by your power. Virgo, you also hoping for this connection. And Ten of Pentacles with King of Pentacles. If you are waiting for stability, long-term commitment, it is coming. Ten of Pentacles with King of Pentacles. Your person offering long-term commitment, stability to this connection this time. I think this time this relationship is going to be next level. Yes, lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus and Princess of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Definitely there is a potential in this connection, definitely. And you both are very strong couple. I am getting you both could be stubborn also. Waiting game is here. So whenever one person take the first move, definitely there will be some other some movement in this connection. Firstly there will be slow movement, Chariot is here, then it will be like King of Pentacles, stability is coming, and long-term commitment is also coming in this connection. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Virgo. Yeah, Justice, Queen of Wands, Five of Swords, Temperance. Yeah, your person could be Sagittarius also. I think there is no balance in the past in this connection. Now you want balance in this connection, and yeah, definitely you stand by your power. Definitely you stand by your power. Things are turning in your favor also. Five of Swords. Definitely you also want compromise in this. You also want to compromise if your person ready to offer what you want. And Justice, definitely you will get justice. And your person could be Libra also. Definitely your person will ask second chance. For some, very rare, you will ask second chance for your person, but it is very rare. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. The Lovers, Hermit, Hierophant and Wheel of Fortune. You both got these cards. Definitely I think Your person also waiting for the right time to come towards you. Yeah, this time they are ready to commit to you. And Hermit, yes, your person also undergoing some spiritual awakening. And the Lovers, definitely they love you. Their love is there between both of you. Your person could be Gemini also. Virgo. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.